Okay, so you're making $120,000 a year. On paper, that sounds amazing. You're in the top 15% of earners in the country, but it's the last week of the month. Your checking account is sitting at $340, and you have absolutely no idea where the money went. Again, you make good money, you just don't have any of it. My name is Richard, and I spend way too much time thinking about why high earners can feel just as financially stuck as people making half their income. If you're someone who keeps getting raises but never seems to have any actual savings to show for it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing, this isn't rare. According to a 2023 Lending Club report, nearly 1 in 5 people earning over $100,000 a year still live paycheck to paycheck. That's not a spending problem exclusive to low earners. That's a completely different trap. Look, most people assume the solution to feeling broke is simple. Earn more. But here's what most people don't realize. Spending almost always rises to match income. There's an actual term for this in behavioral economics: lifestyle creep. Every raise quietly gets absorbed into a nicer car payment, a bigger apartment, more takeout, without ever feeling like a conscious decision. Let's do the math. Say you get a $15,000 raise. If your lifestyle creep absorbs even 80% of that, a common pattern, you're only actually keeping $3,000 of it a year. Do that with every raise for a decade, and you could double your income and still have almost nothing extra to invest. This is where it gets really interesting. It's not that high earners lack discipline, it's that a bigger paycheck removes the immediate pain that used to force good decisions. When money was tight, skipping a $150 dinner felt necessary. At $120,000, that same $150 feels invisible, like it doesn't even count. Your brain stops flagging small leaks because nothing feels scarce anymore. Now, you might be thinking, Richard, I work hard, I should be able to enjoy my money. And you're right, you should. The problem isn't spending. It's spending without intention, where the money disappears before you even decide what you wanted it for. Think of it like a bucket with a hole in the bottom. It doesn't matter how much water you pour in if it's leaking out just as fast. More income without a system is just a bigger bucket with a bigger hole. So here's what to actually do. First, before your next raise even hits your account, decide in advance where 50% of it goes savings or investments before lifestyle creep claims it. Second, track just 1 month of spending, no judgment, just data. Most high earners are shocked by where 20 to 30% of their income quietly disappears. Third, automate your investing so the leftover money you save is protected before you ever see it in checking. Look, income isn't the problem, and it never really was. The gap between rich on paper and actually financially secure gets built one invisible dollar at a time. If this made you rethink where your raises have been going, subscribe, because I break down exactly this kind of stuff every week. Hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.